Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and doing well. Myself, Alok, your moral science teacher, and I would like to welcome you in today's class. Dear students, in today's class, we are going to complete the remaining activities of lesson number 7. In last two classes, we have completed the story, that we have completed the reading of a story and understanding. Then we have done the question answers. Now some remaining activities are there, like activity 3, 4, 5 and 6. So in today's class, what we are going to do, we are going to complete those remaining activities. So let's begin the class. So here first activity 3, we are going to complete activity 3. What activity 3 it is given? In activity 3 it is given, now your tutor will read the exercises below and ask you to circle the answer. Okay, so here the first question it is given, the family sets out on foot for the neighboring village. This means that, here three options are given, they walk to the village, they ride horses to the village, they walk to the bus stop and then take a bus to the next village. So what will happen here? The family sets out on foot. It means that they walk to the village. Means set out on foot means what? They are going to the next village by walking only. They are not riding the horse and they are not going to the bus stop to take the bus. They are going by walk. So what will be the right answer? The right answer will be A. So what you will do? You will circle the A one. Okay? Understood everyone? Now the next question. What is the next question it is given? Next question it is given here, that Godwin and Chisimba are full of energy. This means that they have eaten too much, they have been in the sun too long, they are not tired and are ready to do something. So what will be the right answer? That Godwin and Chisimba are full of energy. It means that they are not tired and are ready to do something. So C1 will be the correct answer. So C1, everyone will circle the C1. Okay. So in this manner we have completed the activity 3. Now let's move to the activity number 4. What is the activity 4? It is given here. Activity 4 it is given that your tutor will ask the class to make sentences with each of the words below. Here few words are there, around 10 words are here. So what are you going to do? You are going to make one sentence from each word. So the words are carried, offered, prepared, appears, neighboring, practice, belongs, continued, immediately and energy. So all words you have to make one sentence each. So first word is carried, so you will make one sentence from carried. What is the meaning of carried? Meaning that carried is the past of carry. Carry means to bring something, to hold and carry. Okay, so carried. So you may make sentence that Ram carried his bag to the school. Offered. Offered means it is past of offer. Offer means to give. That he offered me a cup of tea. Okay, he offered me a cup of tea. Next is prepared. Meaning of prepared means to make something. Okay, it is past of prepared, to make something. So my mother prepared a nice dinner for our family. Appears means to come in the existence. So it was hidden, now it appears. Okay, so in the morning sun appears in the sky. Like that you will make sentence. Different sentence can be also made. Neighboring, what is the neighboring means? Neighboring means the persons or the family which is living in our, means next to our house, they are called our neighboring. Okay, so we must help our neighboring peoples also. In my neighboring house, that one nurse is living. Like that also you can make sentence. Practice, so you have to make one sentence from practice. Okay, that my brother uh, means like my brother and my sisters, sorry, my brothers are, not are, here it is asking practice, not, you don't have to use are and this. So practice that my friends practice for a match. Belongs, you have to make one sentence from belongs. Okay, this pen belongs to Mohan. Continued, like that only you will make sentence from continued. Immediately and energy, so all sentence one you will make. Continued, meaning of continued means that going to continued. Okay, after that immediately, meaning of immediately also you are knowing. Okay, that immediately means like something which happens suddenly, that is called immediately. And energy, energy means already you are knowing energy, so you will make one sentence from each. Now the activity 6, what is activity 6 here given? In activity 6 it is given, your tutor will help you and your classmate prepare a short skit based on the story in the lesson. Okay, so here activity it is given that we all whole class will prepare a short skit, okay, short drama on the story which you have studied just now, okay, in this lesson. So that we will do in the class, we will pretend like this. Some of us, we will narrate the dialogue of Chisimba, someone will narrate the dialogue of Roj, Musonda. Okay, different characters are there, so that we will do in the class. So that's all for today's class. Thank you students. Now home assignments, what is home assignment for today's class? Read lesson 7 nicely and try to understand. Complete activity 3 and 5 of lesson 7 in your book, and complete activity 4 and 6 of lesson 7 in your copy. So this is all for today's class. Thank you students. Bye everyone and have a nice day.